Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm Muphidaht and I'd like you if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are feeling this glam right now. This is my extra Eid look. Like, I want to look so extra. This is the kind of look I'll go for. I like the bold brows, I like the bold lips, and I went in with a little touch of gold and yellow, you know. Yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, please carry on watching, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Oops, I almost cleaned off my brows. I literally forgot I got my brows done. So I'm just going to go in with a Cover FX primer. This is a cooling primer, and I'm going to put it into my skin with a stippling brush. And I'm also going to do my eyes first. Well, first I thought I was going to do my eyes, so I'm just priming my lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I'm blending it in with what's it called? A Real Techniques buffering brush, I guess. Yeah, and I'm setting in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm so sorry I keep going in and out of focus. I'm trying to figure out how to use my camera properly. Anyways, I'm just gonna do my face before I do my eyes because I want my skin to look so flawless. As you can see, I need the extra coverage. So I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me Matte Poreless Primer. Foundation, sorry. I'm going in with the shade 340 Cappuccino, I believe. So I'm gonna buff that into my skin with the Real Techniques brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I want a fuller coverage, so I'm just gonna use that alone underneath my eyes and wherever I need to conceal. And I'm gonna blend it in with the Real Techniques Damp Sponge. When you're blending out this concealer, you need to blend and blend and blend to get like a flawless coverage because it's very thick, and I really love the consistency. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I'm gonna use that to contour. I really love how warm this looks on my skin. It's gonna give me like an extra glowy look, and like not too like contoured. It's just gonna give me like a slight contour. That's what I'm trying to get on Eid day. I'm gonna go into contouring my nose with a smaller brush to get the nose snatched, and also I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender to kind of soften the contour. I don't want any harsh line on my nose. Kind of looks weird. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the brush I blended my foundation in with to kind of give me like a smoother base. Also, I'm gonna set wherever I put the concealer with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, so I'm going into my Morphe palette. I'm going in with that orange shade. I put like setting powder underneath my eyes and on the sides of my eyes to prevent the fallout from messing up my base. So I'm just gonna go in with the Avita Joseph blending brush, and I'm going in with the second Morphe palette. I'm going in with those two brown shades into my crease to kind of darken my crease and give it some more definition. And I'm also gonna go into a darker brown color to kind of darken my crease some more, but I'm going in with a smaller brush to give my crease a deeper definition. I'm gonna go into the orange shade I used previously above my crease to kind of soften the brown so I don't look like an owl. You can see I'm patting that color into to soften wherever my crease, close to my brow bone, so that I don't look like an owl. So I'm just cutting my crease with some concealer. I'm using the same Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and also I'm setting that with the Sacha setting powder. So I'm going in with that yellow shade. It's called Nubia, I believe, and it's from the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm just going in with a flat brush and I'm putting that all over my lid, and I'm diffusing the black shade from the Morphe palette into my outer V, and I'm just blending that out. So I'm quickly gonna give myself a wing, and I'm gonna go in and use my falsies. So I'm just gonna use some black eyeliner for my lower lash line, and I'm gonna smoke it out with all the colors I used in my crease. That's the orange and the dark brown. So I'm gonna use my Notes Cosmetics compact powder to take up the excess powder from my face, the powder I used to bake. And yeah, also I'm gonna bronze my face with the CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. I'm just gonna do that, and also to set the contour on my nose. I'm also gonna go in with some blush from LA Colors. I'm gonna put that all over the apples of my cheeks, and I'm gonna use some mascara from ColourPop, and I'm gonna go straight into the lip. I'm using the shade Embellish from ColourPop as well as a liquid lipstick. I'm gonna highlight with the BH Cosmetics Kylie Bible palette. I love this palette. It's super pigmented, and I'm gonna set my face with some rose water, and I'm gonna pat it into my skin with the Beauty Blender. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Ramadan Kareem.